Is coronavirus a man-made bioweapon developed by China for mass killings around the world? Is coronavirus a laboratory-made virus that was leaked by accident? Well, it is said that China deliberately leaked the virus and left the virus on its main international airports so that the people departing from the country unknowingly get infected and spread the virus in their respective countries. This continued for a brief period of time, after which the Chinese people got infected in large numbers. The news of the virus spread was only known to the world when large number of people were infected. China, being a communist nation, has full control on its media. It carefully ensured that the news of initial virus spread does not circulate in the media so that the world has no clue of what is going on in China. China downplayed the fatality rate. Had the news shared initially with the world, we could have saved many lives. But it seems to be part of one of the Chinese conspiracy. So what will Chinese gain from the mass killings around the world? Here are 5 reasons how China can benefit from this pandemic. Reason number 1. Early vaccine. China seems to have already made the vaccine way before the virus outbreak. The Chinese figure astonishingly lowered to almost 0 new cases just overnight, as the world is still fighting with its increasing widespread. This would give China a great push in its economy, as the world would at least take 10 to 12 months to prepare a vaccine. Reason number 2. Economy. China knew as the virus spread, figures go higher with time. There would be strict lockdowns around the globe, which would adversely affect the country's economy. As the Chinese already have the vaccine, they can continue working in their factories without any fear. This would make China have the highest economic growth for at least the next 5 years. While other countries would be experiencing negative economic growth, the economic difference between China and the world is expected to increase by a huge number. Reason number 3. Shareholding. Holding large number of shares in falling stock markets around the world, China bought huge number of falling shares in leading companies around the globe. This would strengthen China's economy like never before. Reason number 4. Better resource utilization. China seems to have known that while the world would still be leveraging a major chunk of their GDP in fighting the virus for medical supplies, beds, hospitals, basic aid, and stimulus for its people, China can allocate its resources to major technology advancements, defense, and infrastructure, as it already had prepared the vaccine before the virus outbreak. Reason number 5. World domination. All above factors would lead China to dominate the world like no country ever in history. There is enough evidence with the United States that China had been involved in downplaying and hiding crucial facts of the virus. China even denied for an early investigation on the spread of virus. Thanks for watching this video by One Entertainment, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.